it's not too surprising that the earth is so friendly to life. But when you look around at all the things that have come together in the just perfect way to support plants and animals, it is mind-boggling. From the mightiest blue whale to the little virus, from the lightning fast leopard to the hopping kangaroos, life on Earth, as we know, takes dramatically different forms. And it's not just about air, water, and distance from the sun. Here are 7 ingredients which make the beautiful cuisine of life come alive on Earth. First is our very own natural satellite, which shines bright in the night sky, the moon. Earth has a slight tilt and tethers like a top as it spins, which can cause drastic shifts in climate over the course of thousands of years. But because of the moon's stabilizing effect on our orbit, our climate is a lot more steady. Also, the moon causes the tides, and some biologists think life began in tidal pools. Secondly, there is no reason to think that a planet without a stable rotation would be completely inhabitable. But the regularity and the frequency of day and night on our planet go far to prevent extreme temperatures and encourage life happening. Also, our planet is blessed with a strong, stable magnetic field which staves off the cosmic rays and solar flares that would otherwise fry our planet every now and then. It's also tied with the next must-have feature on the list: dynamic geology. The cloud of dust and gas which eventually merged into Earth contained enough radioactive elements to keep the core of the planet churning merrily for billions of years. Without that motion, there wouldn't be a magnetic field around us at all. Next on the list of ingredients is the blanket of air which surrounds our planet. Of course, we can't discount the importance of ozone layer. Back in the very early days of life, plant-like organisms unknowingly made way for animal life by filling the atmosphere with oxygen. That high-altitude layer of gas today shielded early animals from very lethal radiation. This brings us to another critical component which sustains life on Earth. That is water. Water is present on the surface of Earth because of the location of the Earth in the solar system itself. There is a habitable zone around a star called the Goldilocks zone, where the temperature is just right, not too hot and not too cold, for liquid water to exist on that planet. And luckily, our planet Earth belongs to this zone. Venus and Mars are close to Earth, but our solar system as a whole is in the middle of nowhere. And because we are far from any major spiral arms of our galaxy Milky Way, we are in a lot less danger of running afoul of some greater star's gravitational pull and black holes. We are blessed to have neighbors of Jupiter and Saturn. Sure, the Sun and Moon are great, but there's another soldier on the battlefield, Jupiter. In general, gas giants tend to clump up near their home star. But because they are towards the edge of our solar system, their intense gravity conveniently catches wayward and rogue asteroids and comets, making events like the ones that killed the dinosaurs a rarity. I hope you like this video. Do continue discussion on the topic in the comment section below. And in case you find this discussion interesting and want to take it further, I welcome you to read Reignited 1 and Reignited 2, my recently launched book on science and technology and careers related to it. I look forward to further discussions on the topics which are in the book with all of you.